Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Monzo to Pakistani. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Monzo, here it is. So the first thing to do is to know that Monzo does not directly support international transfer to Pakistan, but Wise is the safest and the fastest and the cheapest method that works perfectly with Monzo. So you're going to need another third-party money transfer platform to initiate the transfer. Of course, there is no direct transfer from Monzo to Pakistan. So here is how to do that. So the first thing to do is to create a Wise account. Then once you do that, then sign up using your email address, then complete the verification, which involves your ID and your address proof if needed. And after that, you have to, in the Wise app or the website, click on send money, then choose the currency, which is the GPB to to PKR, which is the Pakistani rupees. Then enter the amount you want to send. Then choose the bank transfer as delivery method. Then from there you have to enter the recipient's full name, the bank name, which is HBL or UBL or Menzan. Then after that, you have to enter the IBAN or the account number with the base code or the SWIFT, but optional, but helps. And also you can choose the bank transfer or the debit card, then select the Monzo, and Wise will give you bank details. And after that, open your Monzo app, then go to payment, then click pay someone new. Then after that, click on bank transfer, then enter the Wise bank details exactly, then send the money you chose. Then after that, Wise convert your money and send it to the recipient bank in Pakistan. Most transfer arrives within 1 working days, and that's how you can simply send money from Monzo to Pakistan. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.